said.
Goodness.
Well, folks, here it is. AMC Heaven. I have found 2 AMC Heavens close to my house.
Really?
Yeah, there's another one on the other side of Raleigh.
Has he got this many?
Probably. His ain't in as good a shape though.
Wow.
God almighty. Look at this, folks. AMXs. AMX, AMX, AMX. Here's an AMX they're doing body work on. Javelin. Let's see, here's a racing car version. Oh, it's got a hood on it. It's a racing car hood on it. Look at this. Look at this. It's got slicks on it. Got a roll cage and all in it. Holy cow. And we got right here, this is an AMX. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the white one's 5 AMXs. The drag car here. All right, here's a Javelin. Here's a green AMX with a 390 now. Holy cow, holy cow, holy cow. This is cool right here.
Well, I mean, it wasn't a production, you know, but all your Mustangs had back seats. This is a true two-seater.
The only thing that didn't have in the back seat was the Thunderbird's not a muscle car.
This is a 68 car. It's got collapsible seats that go all the way back in 1968. It's got disc brakes with 4 pumps per cylinder.
Look at this car, folks. 390 AMX.
That's a factory wheel, right?
Yep.
That's just like
Pan around. Here's another Javelin. Got one here's wrecked. Here's the 390 AMX right here.
And up, they went to this wheel. They trimmed down and sunk it.
Okay,
This
yeah.
is a Javelin. This red one's a Javelin.
You know, that looks just like the Ford Jeep
It's
Magnified.
the same damn thing.
And same bolt pattern.
Same bolt
Same bolt
pattern.
pattern.
Pardon me, gentlemen.
You don't have a couple sets of them you want to do. So that's the 390.
Calipers need to be replaced. They were
This is a cool car right here.
And the power steering pump.
$9,000. That's what he said, 9,000.
Yeah.
Canister sits on it.
Damn.
That's a virgin original.
Yeah, that's a treat right there. That is a treat. That is a treat.
Lemon slip, the disc brakes, and it's got the rally pack gauges, which are ultra rare too.
Look at that instrument cluster, folks. Look how nice this is. Look at these door panels.
So that's a AMC 3.
Oh, look at the gauges. He's pointing out the gauges too. Rally pack, he says. Unbelievable. Unbelievable car. I shouldn't have come up here.
Everything's original except this.
No, he's had the electronic ignition added, but other than that, he's saying everything's original, folks.
Wow, look at that. That's a little time capsule.
That is unbelievable. That's that car. An amateur could. I mean, you don't need to be a really super duper guy to restore this. This is
It needs to be left as a survivor.
right.
But
right.
I mean,
Well, I agree. But what I'm getting at is it can be put back on the road a lot easier than some other cars. You know. See what we got in here. Got more AMC Heaven in here. Got some Mustangs. Got a Chevelle.
They don't count. They're runners.
The Chevelles aren't his, folks. Sorry about that. So we got
Don't even take pictures of that shit because I don't know about it.
okay. We're gonna turn the camera off right here because some of these cars.
On the AMCs, the Chevrolet stuff is not mine.
Well, it's gonna show up in the background, so
That's
probably.
okay.
Oh, you don't mind? Okay, all right, cool.
No, I don't care. I just
We can't talk about the Chevrolets, folks, so don't ask. They're not his. So, but we can leave the camera rolling.
the 57 wagon's mine.
All right, the 57 wagons here, as he says, and we got a Javelin over here. Let's see what we can get in here, and got another AMX hiding in the corner over here. It's been rolled. 390 car. Whoops, I'm sorry. We're good. That's my big feet. SST. Man, this blue and AMX is in restored shape. Fix that roof, well, maybe not. I don't know. See, this is what I'm talking about. This one here would take a lot more work than the other one. You got to put a roof on this one and a quarter panel. Quarter panel is pretty much used up right there, folks. We got to do the wagon over here. Yeah, let's get a look. Yeah, she rolled in. It's beyond me. I can't fix this. Beyond my limited skills. That's a shame. Again, the GM cars, other than the wagon, just 55, I think it's a 55 wagon, other than that, the GM cars are off limits. They're not his. We'll take a look at this one. Just bear with me, AMC fans, since we got a late model engine. This is a big block, I believe. Bear with me, AMC fans. We'll put one little Chevrolet in your AMC video. Yeah, this car here is meant to run. Aftermarket aluminum radiator. It's got a 4-speed shifter. I mean, attack with a shift light. Nice car. I don't know about the Volvo wagon thing, but I'm not filming it either. He didn't say in the Volkswagen here. Here's some of the parts for the Chevy. That's a 57. I think you did say. Did you say 57? I think you did. I'm going to turn the camera to the floor just for a second. Got Mustang, Chevys. Yeah, we better not film in this. We can get over here and get these two AMCs though. 304. Don't believe this gentleman's going to sell any parts because it looks like he's actually working on some of these cars. Roof on this one's messed up. Unbelievable. That's too bad. That is too darn bad. That is too darn bad. We got some decent tail lights though. What I can see. Let's see if I can get you a little bit better. I'm sorry guys, I'm up against the wall over here. This reminds me of that 66 Charger I found. I couldn't get into the back of it. And the Charger taillights on that 66 was so hard to find. I just could not get back there to video it. Oh, I love these instrument clusters and dashes on these cars. I think this car could probably be fixed if they get a roof for it. These cars are getting so rare that at some point you got to decide, should one be used as a parts car to save a couple others? You got to make that decision. I mean, if you got access to parts, I guess you're fine, but a lot of you folks don't. This car here, look at it. I'm amazed at how, I look at a lot of cars, and I guess because they were kept inside, I look at a lot of cars and the door panels just shot. And it's so hard to find that stuff. And here's what I'm talking about. They're backed up against the wall like that Charger was. You can't really get in there and have a good look. Got some rot down here. All right, folks, there you have it. I can't get to the other side. It's up against the wall. Yeah, I hate to say it, but this may be a parts car. I don't know. Well, let me go back in there and talk to him. So I saw a couple things caught my eye, and let's see what we can come up with.